Hey, Carl Anderson here with MarineMax Charleston, just off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2020 Scout 255 Dorado. Starting off here in the transom, we've got a nice lockable transom door, great for keeping small kids or dogs inside. Twin swim platforms on this boat. Telescoping boarding ladder is here to the starboard side. This boat is powered with optional twin 150 4-strokes from Yamaha. These are the XCA digital throttle and shift motors. You can also power this boat with a single 300. We've got an optional ski tow here at the transom. 4 rod holders, 2 cup holders, recessed cleats, fender pros for a quick disconnect for your fenders. That's on both sides of the boat. Got an optional picnic table here. I can easily remove this, and now I've got a huge open cockpit for fishing. Standard to the port side is a live well. I've got bench seats to the starboard, or excuse me, to the port side and at the stern. So now I've got a great setup for drinks, lunch, just a great social area. And then these seats easily and cleanly stow out of the way. Over here at port, I've got an aft-facing lounger that is powered. So I push this button, and this chase slides out. It gives me a little bit of a lounger. I've got storage beneath, great for using it as a cooler, or really however you prefer. Dry storage as well. I've got a wet bar sink, cutting board, solid surface countertop, fold away sink or faucet right there. Stainless steel grab rail, pull out storage on a soft close. I've got a slide out Yeti. It's 35. Fusion Bluetooth stereos with optional black speakers. And then beneath the gunnel here to the starboard side, I do have rod storage. And this is a self-bailing cockpit. Got storage and batteries are located here in the deck. Trash receptacle right here. Got twin captain chairs for the driver and the observer that are on thigh-rise bolsters. This is a really comfortable setup here at the helm. Got adjustable armrests, digital throttle and shift with those twin 150 Yamahas. My upgraded Edson steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Got power steering. Big head unit for my Fusion stereo, Bluetooth stereo. Standard on this boat is a Garmin 942XS. The boat has trim tabs with upgraded LED indicators, digital start and stops. We've got a lockable glove box with charging ports for our cell phones. All of our digital switching is there. Moving over to the port side. Again, similar setup here. Wider seat that can comfortably seat a parent and a child. 2 cup holders here. Get this out of the way if you want to stand. Forward, we can block this cockpit off. So if you're running on cooler days, you can eliminate a lot of that cooler wind and make this area a little more comfortable. Before we move up to the bow, let's pan up to the hardtop. Got a really big, expansive, beefy fiberglass hardtop. Got a stainless steel grab rail here. You'll notice that the powder coating is in black. This is part of Scout's Midnight Edition package. This is a full hull black boat, so this matches the boat's exterior really nicely. Here we've got our porcelain head with holding tank and a freshwater sink and a mirror as well. We've got storage here on the starboard side. I've got 2 prop kits in there, all the canvas for the boat. It's a really large storage. Here I've got a filler cushion in place. This just folds up and can stow out of the way if you want a more traditional bow seating area, but otherwise this is pretty awesome for sunbathing up front. A lot of lounge space, cup holders on either side, LED lights, Fusion speakers forward. This is the standard upholstery from Scout. Adjustable armrests here on both sides. and this boat is ready to cruise. I've got an anchor windlass forward with a reboarding ladder, foot pedal controls for the windlass in addition to what you have at the dash, and I have cup holder, rod holder combo receivers, so this boat can accommodate a bow sunshade kit when you're moored or anchored. So that's Scout's 255 Dorado. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. Come by and see us at 142 Sportsman Island Drive off Daniel Island, and give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.